our underbar, ice bin, and bottle holder. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 30 inches, a depth of 22.5 inches, and a height of 33 inches tall. Coming to the bottom level will be an area to store your products, such as bottles and utensils. This area will measure 30 inches in length by 4 inches depth and 6 inches high. Coming to the top, included will be 2 separate dividers. These dividers will act as sliding doors that can be removed and placed on top of the cocktail station. So whenever it's not in use, doors can be slid. So whenever the cocktail station is not in use, the bottom and top doors can cover your ice bin and products beneath. And included will be 2 separate bins to hold your products. By removing the top and bottom slide doors, the bins can be removed as well. Each bin will measure 16 inches in depth, 5.5 inches in length, by 5 inches tall. 3 separate compartments, with each compartment measuring 4.25 inches in length, 5 inches in depth, also by 5 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 3 sections. Last but not least, interior space for the ice bin. Measurements for the interior, we have 28 inches in length, a depth of 15 inches, and a height of 12 inches tall. There will also be a drain beneath the ice bin. And located to the top left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.